The sponsor for this video is TE Connectivity. Single Pair Ethernet, or SPE, is a new physical Ethernet communication protocol. SPE is defined by the International Ethernet Standard IEEE 802.3. It was developed to provide a simpler and more cost-effective way to connect sensors, actuators, and network applications in manufacturing plants. In this video, I will highlight the benefits that SPE can bring to factory automation and building automation. Unlike traditional Ethernet, which uses multiple pairs of wires, SPE transmit data over a single twisted pair of wires. This makes SPE cables lighter and more compact than traditional Ethernet cables. Lighter, smaller cables makes installation easier and more cost-effective. Single-pair Ethernet provides several advantages for the automation engineer. First, data speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second are supported. Its simple network design reduces complexity, making SPE easier to implement and manage than traditional Ethernet networks. SPE is ideal for new installations and for projects that extend existing networks. Field switches and gateways make integration of single-pair Ethernet into existing networks relatively easy. This strategy works best when entire areas of the process will be upgraded. Maintaining an existing Ethernet infrastructure may be the best solution, especially when only a few sensors or devices need to be replaced. SPE also supports power over data lines, known as PoDL. This feature allows power and data to be delivered over a single cable. Up to 30 watts of power can be delivered over a single pair of wires. This can greatly reduce wiring complexity. SPE can be integrated with time-sensitive networking, or TSN. TSN ensures that each piece of data sent is delivered to its destination. This is called deterministic communication. Data determinism is valuable for high-speed critical automation systems, such as robots. Now, I will take a look at two real-world applications. In factory automation, single-pair Ethernet is adding value. Work cells, assembly lines, and manufacturing processes can all benefit from SPE. SPE provides the speed and reliability that is needed for high-performance manufacturing environments. In building automation, SPE plays a big role in smart buildings. It simplifies connectivity for heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems, lighting, and security systems. For smart lighting systems, SPE enables precise control and integration of sensors and controllers, optimizing energy use and enhancing operational efficiency. In security and access control, SPE's ability to provide both power and data over a single cable simplifies the setup of interconnected devices, such as cameras, card readers, and intercom systems. With cable lengths extending up to 200 meters and reduced wiring, SPE simplifies design and installation. SPE support for power over data lines extends its reach to remote areas within buildings, making it ideal for monitoring and controlling systems like HVAC and fire alarms. Hybrid cabling solutions further enhance flexibility and performance by providing higher power delivery to devices over a separate pair of wires in the same cable. If you're a RealPARS member and want to learn more practical skills on single-pair Ethernet, check out the Single-Pair Ethernet Fundamentals and Single-Pair Ethernet Applications Real-World Examples courses available at realpars.com. These courses have been developed in partnership with TE Connectivity. At the end of each course, you will receive a certificate of completion from TE Connectivity. The links to these courses can be found in the description of this video.